What up, YouTube? Today, guys, we finna do some POV drives in this beautiful fog. Y'all see this beautiful weather out here, man. I'm in the middle of the street right now. This is what I always do, y'all, 24/7. So we got this beautiful Z in the middle of the road. Even though I don't know if I really just did this bit, bro. So right now, y'all, even though we got chipped off by a rock, y'all, my rap just came off. But hey, we still gonna go with it, y'all. So right now, y'all, we finna go crazy in the fog, man. Y'all see right now, it's beautiful fog. And yes, y'all, I did get my window tinted. My windshield tinted orange. So if y'all seen that on the camera, no cap. But right now, y'all, we finna go crazy, bro. How y'all like the Z, bro? I'm supposed to be picking up somebody, y'all, and I'm up here right now just... I told them that I was 15 minutes and knowing damn well I'm not even 15 minutes, I'm probably about 30 minutes away. But how y'all like the Z, man? How you like this masterpiece, man? But yeah, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this video. And let me go ahead and take my thumbnail real quick and boom. So we about to go ahead and give y'all like a quick little... Well, it's gonna be a warm start, y'all. So I pretty much started the car up already. That sound good, y'all. Hey, y'all, don't mind my Crocs, man. I don't even have no socks on, nothing. So we finna go crazy, y'all. No hands down, man. And yes, y'all, I did get my secondary cats deleted. If y'all pretty much wanted to know everything. Hopefully this music jump don't come on. So let's go ahead and go. Gotta do that little quick little thing. Go ahead and see if we can open up the valves, y'all, for y'all get a little. Yeah, it's so foggy, man. But this car's still right here, bro. Crazy. I like this build, bro. It just be random popping out of nowhere, y'all. That junk is so crazy, bro. And yes, y'all, bro, I do not like when they be fixing on the roads, bro. And knowing damn well my car too damn low, bro. It just be these folks that be having these big giant cars and junk, man. These NPC, man. Yo, we in the fog with it, bro. I look cricket, bro. I'm so cricket, y'all. It's like it's so crazy. Bro, like, yes, y'all, I can see out my windshield. If y'all pretty much wanted to know what the... Bro, I think that's like bird pee, bro. I don't know what that is, bro. Somebody just took the crap on my car. Man, y'all, this gonna be a crazy video, man. And bro, I'm always low on gas every time I do these POVs, y'all. Every time, y'all. I always mess up. Bring that bitch down to the ground. Y'all, we in a virtual world too, if y'all want to know. Bruh, do y'all hate being behind these trucks, bruh? I don't trust being behind the truck, y'all. I ain't trying to lose I ain't trying to have a cracked windshield, man. Cause bruh, Bruh, if y'all ever get behind one of the truck, bruh, they is taking your windshield out, bruh. Rocks and shit gonna fall off and junk, everything. And these cars driving mid-slow, bruh. Hold on, bruh, don't get over too much. You stay in the right lane, man. What the fuck is y'all doing? Y'all see that, bruh? They be swerving over and junk, bruh. You on that weird junk. Bruh, I was swerving over to my side and junk. It's so foggy outside, man. Bro, I see these folks, bro. It's a freaking bug in my freaking car. What the fuck? Damn, I done messed up my whole. Get like a little, bro, like that. Yes, man, this is not no regular. This is not no SS, man. Bro, I feel like, bro, I be getting a whole bunch of people. People be calling this a SS, bro. Bro, nah, bro. This is not no SS, y'all. This is a ZL1. This is a freaking ZL1, man. Why is you breaking? This is what I be talking about, y'all. So right now, y'all, we behind my twin. It's a Camaro. You know what I'm saying, man? Bro, why is this van is on this freaking fast lane, bro? This is what I be talking about, y'all. Y'all see this? Y'all see this, bro? This is what I be talking about, bro. No, bro, stay in your damn lane, bro. Stay in the fucking lane. So if you don't do that, be ecky. I don't know. I don't know what be wrong with these people's brain, man. He wanted to get over at the last minute. Well, I'm about to get over. So right now, y'all, we got to get over it. Cause man, hopefully anything I'm trying to follow him. Cause I'm not, man. I'm just trying to get over it. Y'all, I'm so freaking late, man. Y'all don't never have me pick up y'all, bro. Y'all love to let me pick y'all up, man. I'll pick y'all up probably like 30 minutes late, man. On everything. Shit. Understand why people be driving slow in the morning, y'all. Like, y'all still tired or something, man? Just get out the way, man. Y'all just be blocking my way, man. Oh. That shit gotta get right in front of this truck, though. Oh, God. Bro is being... You saw how he did it? Damn. They went flying right behind me. Damn. Oh shoot, bro, it's so bad. If you hit a pothole, bro, on the highway, bro, and your car just start tripping, bro. Look at these people, bro. Is you gonna drive fast or you gonna keep going? Like, come on. Hey, when they be doing that. Oh, we got a I-8. Bro, I'm gapping anything on this highway, bro. Anything, bro. Even them Hellcats, man. We the go-go gapper. I thought we the Hellcat hunters, bro. Hellcat hunters, man, on the way. And bro, I gotta take this thing off the back of my car, bro. It's not even Halloween no more, bro. The fuck gonna be thinking down still celebrating Halloween. Bro, y'all think the ZL1 can gap? Bro, I've been seeing a whole bunch of Camaros, bro. I think it's like a regular SS. Yeah, it's a regular one. It's a regular one, man. Ooh, this behind me. I'm telling y'all, I'll get y'all the gaps, bro. Bro, the gaps, man. Hey, y'all, I'll be gapping. Bro, that was a Challenger, bro. Nigga, you already lost, bro. I think people don't be knowing this shit is actually fast. Bro, I hate when people be thinking, bro, you already lost, bro. Bro, about to crash, trying to show off. Bro, that what they be doing, bro. They be showing off so bad and they still trash, bro. Like right now, I couldn't gap them, bro. But I ain't studying that slow. I ain't studying that slow scat pad, man. Better be lucky I got up the damn exit. But shit, we both got the exit at the same time, so shit. Bro, we're trying to hurry up and cut up, man. Thank God my pumpkin came off. Oh man, this tent, man, is going crazy. Where his ass at, man? Tell that nigga to line that. Oh. Right now, y'all, we chilling, bro. Bro, we're really trying to line that bitch up, bro. Who is this behind me, man? Man, this junk is crazy, y'all, bro. I feel like Mopars, y'all need to stay where y'all at, man. Cause it's the Mopar killer, bruh. The Big Z, man. The Goblin. When y'all see that, when y'all see my front grill and it say Goblin, just know not to mess with me, bruh. I'm trying to wait for this person to hurry up. Turn that bit, man. Don't be blowing the dang horn at me, bro. Watch this. Yeah, that's what I thought. I think I could have went past that, but it's like a whole bunch of stuff right there. And I ain't trying to mess up my car. And this the car behind me that blowed the horn. Like, no. Bruh, y'all think I should go truck, bruh? I be thinking about getting a truck, y'all. I was thinking about getting a TRX, but everybody was talking about, like, don't go TRX, man. It's a lot of folks that's got a TRX, man. That have a TRX, bruh. But I don't know. These trucks are low-key hard, man. You know what? Bruh, y'all comment down below and let me know what should my next car be. Y'all comment down below, no cap. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that, bruh. Cause we almost there, and I'm pretty much not trying to show y'all what I'm actually driving to, man. Like, there's too much information posted. But yeah. But I give y'all this last easy little pull real quick. That's a quick easy little pull, y'all. Oh shit. It's like somebody just got a Camaro. But yeah, y'all. But I'll get back with y'all though, no cap.